Yo, it's Hooks, Ceramic Pro Burbank. I know you guys been wondering where I've been. I've been here, but I was bougie enough. I decided to go inside and sit behind a desk. But today, coming out, getting my hands dirty. I got this Honda CRV. It doesn't always have to be exotics I work on or certain cars. I ain't that picky. I'm gonna take on this task. It's just a detail, and I'm gonna go over a few things. I'm gonna start here at the engine bay, right here. I'm gonna use orange degreaser, citrus base, safe on paint, safe on plastic. It's not going to deteriorate anything, and it's not going to be too strong. Now I know a lot of you guys are like, oh my God, he's wetting the engine. It's okay, people. Everything is sealed in this thing. It's not like the old 80s where you get the distributor. Well, some of you might be too young for this, but you're going to wet the distributor cap, and the car's not going to start, so it's okay. Now, I'm not here to make this video look pretty for the gram. I'm keeping it real. Time is money, money is time. So I can make it look good, right? Pause and get all slow and detailed and make it look pretty. Nah, I'm not about that. I keep it 100. So speed and accuracy is everything to me. Getting it clean, but accurate at the exact same time.